What's up, everybody? Welcome back to How to Do It. Hey everybody, how's it going? Sorry to disturb the video, but I wanted to break in and say thank you very much to the 103 new subscribers to the channel. A little bit overwhelmed with the response I got to my last video. As of right now, it has over 4.8 thousand views, which is the most views I've ever gotten on any video, by a large margin. So I really appreciate it very much. Welcome to the channel, and stay tuned. By the way, if you're new around here, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys around. Today we're gonna have a bit of a chill day, because there we go, because me and my wife just found out that she's pregnant, so we're gonna have a second child, which is excellent news. So we are now moving my son from one room to the other, which means a new bed. So we bought this bed frame off of Facebook Marketplace, and instead of like a rail all the way at the bottom going all the way down where you can just lay wood and then put your box spring and your mattress on top of that, it has these metal L brackets. So today I'm gonna build a box spring kind of thing out of scrap wood that I have in the backyard. So let's get to it. So basically, my wife found out she was pregnant a week ago. I think she's 6 weeks along so far. And the nesting phase started right away. But there was good reason for that. Right. So there's good reason for her nesting phase to have started so soon. With our son, he came about at 32 weeks. So his due date was in supposed to be the middle of July, but he came a full 6 weeks early at the beginning of June. So she's starting early, suffice it to say, which is fine. Remember, measure twice, cut once. All right, let's go work this out. Alright, so this is what we're looking at. We're looking at a structure made out of 2x4s that is going to take place of the box spring. That has got to be 76.5 inches long, and the whole structure's got to be 38 5/8 inches wide, which means 2x4s, which aren't 2x4 anymore, they're actually 1.5. So I need to take 3 inches off that 38 5/8, which gives us 35 5/8. So I need 2 long 2x4s, hopefully 76.5 inches long, but that's not really required. And then we'll try and do a slat every 10 inches. So I'll need 7 or 8 35 and 5/8 inch slats. Let's go see what we got out in the shed. I try and keep wood like everybody does. Sure, we've all seen that video of the older gentleman and his son talking about they needed a specific piece of wood this specific way, and the dad's like, oh my gosh, I got it. I got just the piece. Oh, let's see what we got going on. So this is my spare wood pile. Does look like we got some pieces that are fairly long. I don't know if they're going to be 71 or 76 and a half inches or not, but we're going to find out. See how long these ones are. Those will work for the sideways because they're over 40, so that's good. That didn't work out the greatest. Well, would you look at that? That one's 73. That one's 86. So, it looks like we're going to have to go with 70 inches. Those are 24, so that's good. So we'll build a box about 70 inches. And then 7 or 8 slats about 35 and a quarter inches long. Alright, so here's the basic plan. Square these ends off. Measure how long this one is, because this is the shorter one. And then transfer that to that board. So I have 2 equidistant long boards. I don't need 8, 35. Yes, yes, yes. You see that stink bug flying in my face? Probably not. Probably right out of camera view. Stink bug just flew right in my face. Really? So apparently I have no 2-inch screws. So next best case scenario is 3, which is a bit overkill, if you ask me. Let's see how it fits. I think that'll do nicely. Alright. So we'll just nail the rest of those slats in and we'll call it a day. Alright. Now since we have one less slat though, we're going to have to measure. Let's see. That's 7.5 equals 30. Yeah, 5 more to go. This would still be every 10 inches. 55, 12 onto that would be 37, 12 onto that would be 49. Do my arrows. So I know these are the correct ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 12 onto that, 61. We'll split it and go 60. That's where this last is. That's where we're going to put. First of all, I guess we should figure out if my nails are going to be big enough. They should be. Gosh darn it. Well, let's go see how it works. Will you come help?
She ain't level.
No, but we'll figure that part out. Oh. Well, there we have it. Didn't even have to spend any money. It was all scrap pieces of wood and screws and nails that I already had. So yeah, now we don't have to buy a box spring and we don't have to worry about weird metal brackets in this thing. Should be good to go. Well, that'll do it for me. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you're new around here, think about hitting that subscribe and like button, thumbs up. I'll see you guys around.